Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to modify the width of your Jotform. This is especially useful when you want your form to fit perfectly on your website or match your branding requirements. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Enter your email and password to access your account dashboard where all your forms are stored. After logging in, you'll see your dashboard displaying all your existing forms. Browse through and select the form you want to modify. Once you found it, click on the Edit Form button. This will take you directly into the Form Builder where you can make changes to your form's design and structure. Now look toward the top right corner of the Form Builder. You'll notice several icons there, and what you're looking for is the Paint Roller icon. This is the Form Designer tool, and it's your gateway to customizing the visual appearance of your form. Click on this icon to open up the design options. Once the Form Designer opens, you'll see multiple tabs available for customization. Navigate to the Styles tab. This section contains all the visual settings that control how your form looks, including colors, fonts, and importantly for us today, the form width within the Styles tab. Scroll down until you locate the form width field. This is where the magic happens. You can enter your desired pixel value directly into this field. For example, if you want a narrower form, you might enter 750px, or if you prefer something wider, you could go with 900px or even higher. Adjust this value based on your specific preferences and where you plan to embed or display the form. Keep in mind that different width values will look different on desktop versus mobile devices. After you've entered your desired width, it's a good idea to see how it actually looks before publishing. In the upper right corner of the page, you'll find the Preview Form button. Click on this to open a preview window. This lets you see exactly how your form will appear to users with the new width settings applied. Take your time here to ensure everything looks balanced and professional. If you're satisfied with how it looks, you can go ahead and save your changes. If not, simply go back and adjust the width value until it meets your needs. And that's it. You've successfully modified the width of your Jotform to match your exact specifications. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.